Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today is something really cool. This is Vitera 1972 Chevy C10 lowrider. As you know, like if you're in Los Angeles, it's the Chicano vehicle. This is very cool vehicle. They have it in two colors. They have it in black and they have it in red. Let's unbox it and see what we got inside. This needs to be really cool vehicle, not so expensive. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. While you're just opening the box, let me show it to you as I see it. Okay, so it's already come with a nice black body and it's almost impossible to pull. Let's see. Yeah, okay, this is the truck. They did something really cool. I just pulled this cardboard. Let's put it aside. And on the side of the car, just put those tapes to preventing it from scratching. I will keep it gently here. There is one more on the top. So it's a really cool lowrider. You know, this is a Vitera RC. I'm sure that this thing will be very nice actually just as a kind of a shelf vehicle. But look at the front of this thing. Let's lower the camera. I'm gonna try to do it a little bit different today. That's it. It's have a nice aluminum grill to it, but it's actually plastic. It's chrome plastic. The body is painted beautiful. It's like very high shine black. I don't want to remove it from the box because it's tied pretty good, so I'm gonna do another video later for it. I just want to show you unboxing how nice they wrapping it. Let's remove it's called static cling, whatever, stick to it. And there's one here on the top, and the rims are very nice on it. But let's open it. Let's see what there is underneath it. I just saw it. I don't know how long this vehicle been out. I just saw it a couple days ago on the website, and I decided to bring one and see what there is underneath it. Okay, so when you pull it up, you have to be very careful. There is lights that actually are working light, so please pay attention when you pull it out that you're not going to tear it out. So what you need to do, you just need to disconnect right there. You remove the plugs and then the body can go sideways. And when I look at this, oh, this is actually pretty nice. The tires, let's start with the tires. Those tires are pretty cool. They're very soft tires. They look like they're going to be very grippy. Even though this is brushed electric, this is not brushless. It's designed really nice. I'm gonna turn it and show you guys here. So they kind of put the motor right inside here, and there is this like kind of like those shark breather fins over here, so air can get in and cool down the motor. And there is a nice air intake here. It's really cool. There is over here a nice servo saver. It's a basic ESC. It's a regular. It's the SRX 200 receiver. They're working pretty well for what they are. They have a good Spektrum servo on it. It's a 540 motor. Later we probably should take one, get rid of this motor, put a brushless motor, and try to make a small speed run car out of it because it's really cool. Let me do this real quick. I should just lift the camera and show you what's going on. Right, this is right on the way. Look how nice those upper arms. It looks like a professional race car. And they actually did this really nice. And there is a lot of details. Let's go there. Inside of the wheel, when you turn the wheel, right there, there is a brake. There is a disc brake inside with a brake red caliper. So it's really cool. They took the time to actually do it. Let's set this thing back up. I really hate to move the camera like this because it's making all those noises. That's probably very annoying for you guys, so please forgive me. The shock system on it, a very basic shock system. set up really nice. When you move it on the back, you can see here how the bone, everything, really nice. I think this thing will be a cool car to run because it looks so cool. This is like the ready to run version of it, so it's come with a remote. You're gonna have to have your battery. I don't think they give you battery on this thing. You know what? It's required on all those vehicles. I'm looking at the box. It said that it's required battery and a charger. So yeah, you're gonna need a battery and a charger for it. A 2S with the EC3. Those EC3 connectors, all the Horizon vehicles, it's the same. But this is just a quick glance of this beautiful vehicle. I'm gonna make one of those actually a running vehicle and show you guys. And let's close this thing back just so you guys can see how cool this lowrider is. It's somehow remind me Cheech and Chong. I don't know why, but it's a very low to the ground, very cool vehicle. Just quick glance of it. This is again a Vitera Chevy C10 1972. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. This was a first glance. I wanted really to do that pretty quick because it's just such a beautiful vehicle, and I know a lot of you are gonna enjoy just watching this thing. It's just so beautiful. Like, subscribe, share. I'm gonna do some cool stuff with one of those vehicles, and we tried. I think I'm gonna put a big motor in it, see if they're gonna do like 100 miles an hour. I think it might, but we'll see. RC Monster Garage. It is available at MotoStyles shop right now. Call us. It's a special deal on it. MotoStyles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street. Call us. We have a surprise for you. Bye bye.